Under this menu, an incredible recipe you can wrap up in no time. 2 ingredients, tortilla. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. If you love cooking at home like me, then you would love my vegan ramen cookbook that I just published. You can find out more about it in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, everyone loves tacos, but there's one thing that's really amazing about them, and that's because they're so easy to make. Small saucepan, 290 milliliters of water. Cover and bring to a boil. Large mixing bowl, 230 grams masa harina, generous pinch of pink salt. I do have to clarify, corn flour will not give you the same results. Masa harina is corn that's been soaked in lime juice, dehydrated, then ground into powder. If you try this with corn flour, it will not be very satisfactory. Hot water. Mix to form a dough. Knead with your hand to further combine the dough. Cover the dough with a towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. Drape some cling film over your cutting board. Brush some water underneath to prevent it from sliding around. Divide the dough into 20 total small portions. Transfer the dough back into the bowl and drape over the towel. Start by combining 2 portions of the dough and roll carefully into a thin sheet. I'm using a 2-cup container as a mold to cut out the tortilla. Add another portion to the excess and repeat. Literally just a couple ingredients and you have this amazing tortilla. You can cook them right away or wrap them in cling film and place them in the fridge. You can now make these absolutely amazing tortillas with absolute confidence. Absolutely incredible. Be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Join me in my next episode where I'll show you how to make amazing tacos.